Attention all the student of second year electrical and electronics for professional development subject last topic. In this topic we have to discuss mainly about persuasion and coordination. So in any social work you have to see that cooperation and coordination and persuasion are the important activities to be performed. Now, whenever we say about the persuasion of this particular type of activity to be performed in the society, then persuasion means you have to take part in that particular activity with your ideas, and these ideas can be communicated to the whole group, and according to that, if some improvement is required in the activity, then that can be done. Similarly, coordination, it can be formed in the internal coordination and external coordination. So in internal coordination, what happen, if suppose there is a group of 10 students are there and they are given some task, so they coordinate themselves in their group, and they need not to worried about anything internally. But when some tasks are like this in which the help of external agencies are required, in that case you have to go for taking the help of external agency for external resources for the purpose of completing the project or the particular event. So that is called external coordination. So coordination and persuasion both are the simultaneous action for any type of event to be completed in the society. So normally what happen, when peoples are doing coordination, then the particular work can be completed easily, and there will be no problem in that particular work. Similarly, persuasion is there. Persuasion depend mainly on the situations. Situations it is created during the operation of any activity, and at that time what type of persuasion is required. The person who is having that type of approach to give persuasion for any particular activity to accelerate it, then they will give their suggestions to the group. So coordination, cooperation and persuasion, these are the social skill. It is to be present, or the it should be possessed by the persons or the members of the society who are performing any type of event. Say for example, if suppose we want to arrange a program for dinner to 200 peoples of the society. So this is a event which required lot of resources. So first resource is the material resource. You have to give this job to a internal group of some 5 persons, and then second resource is for the preparation, and third resource is for service, and the fourth resource is the place. So whenever these 4 5 items come in a particular activity or event management, then you can form the group of according to the work to be allotted, and in each group at least 5 persons you keep, and they will start performing the job of persuasion and coordination and cooperation. So if they have an internal cooperation, then individual group have their own cooperation, and if the 5 groups are there for 5 activity, then they are also having their mutual cooperation in between for completion of the job. Similarly, if they require the help of the external agency, then they will go for to contact the external agency for completion of their task. So external agency cooperation is also required, and for that the coordination is to be done by the internal agency to the external agency. So in this way, whenever any type of task you take in hand, that can be completed with the help of this particular persuasion and cooperation and coordination. So in social work in the society, any type of event is there, it is first to be planned according to the 4 points, that what to be done, where to be done, when to be done, and where to be done. So these are the where to be done, what to be done, when to be done. It is to be decided by the committee of the peoples who are coordinating for the work. So coordination, cooperation, persuasion, these three things are simultaneously happen or to be performed for any type of task or event you have decided. So in this particular section of the topic, there are only these things are required which is important, which I have discussed just now. Now there are so many other points are given in the your syllabus in the last article, and these are mostly related to these three words: cooperation, coordination, and persuasion. So better you should know the meaning of all these three words, and according to that, how to react or act in a particular event, you should understand. So they are all mutual cooperation is there. Maximum time the mutual cooperation of the members of the team, it is necessary first. Then after cooperation they will coordinate with other groups also. So coordination can be defined in the group also or intergroup also. Intergroup means for an event, suppose there are five activities are there and five groups are there, so their inter coordination is required for the purpose, and in these five groups they should coordinate to each other for the work, and in this way the work can be completed. So all the work have certain sequence of operation, in which first activity to be done by first group, second activity is to be done by second group, third activity is to be done by third group, fourth activity is to be done by fourth group, and so on. Fifth activity to be done by fifth group. So individual group they perform their activities with their cooperation of the members in that group. But whenever they need support of other group also, then it in that way in the we call them that they should go for coordination. So they coordinate with all the five groups, and individual problem of every group they discuss simultaneously to solve the problem, and in this way they have to go for the completion of the particular task, and persuasion word come after that. Persuasion may be a inter-group activity or external group activity. So persuasion can be done if you are taking the help of the external agency for any particular type of task, then you have to pursue it for every activity which you have to take from the external agency. So in this way, you have to give the details of all the activities which are to be taken by the external agency, explain them complete task, and then you can pursue with them to complete the job of that particular activity. So in this particular topic of social skills, I have already discussed many skills in the first portion of the topic, number 5, and in this sixth topic there is a more stress is given on the three things: persuasion, coordination, and cooperation. So that I have explained you how to cooperate, how to persuade, how to coordinate. So once again I tell you, cooperation normally it is in a small group, the cooperatives, and if they go the group go out of that range of their own, then they will coordinate with other group for solving of the problem. And persuasion mutually done in the group wise, or it can be done with the external agency which is required to be perform some external sources which is required for completion of your project. or your event. So the portion of the external agency, it is mainly persuasion done by the internal group to the external group of agency. In this way, the total work can be completed, and all these type of things can be completed easily in time. So time factor is also very important. Time is decided according to number of activities. Each activities have certain time for its operation. Then you sum up all the activities and their time. So the total time of the project or the event can be find out. So this is all about these things of persuasion, coordination, and cooperation. So these three things are important whenever you go for completing any task of society event or society function or society uh, type of activity which is to be done in group or for the number of persons. So this is all about the three things. So you just note down this lecture. It is a simple one of 10-15 minutes lecture in which I have discussed all the points. So there are some other points given which are related again with all these things which I have discussed in my this particular topic, that external and internal coordination is required, which I explained you. Persuasion is required, it is also internal and external persuasion is required. Then cooperation is required, for this is also for internal and external group. So ultimately what I want to say, that to uh, complete a task given to you in the society, to your group, that task can be completed how? By these three things, yeah, three basic activities. So if you are having a good understanding for all these three activities in the groups, then the task will be completed easily and there will be no problem. So nowadays so many people are making social group for obtaining or for performing any type of task they have taken for the benefit of the society, or they can go for some type of charity work also in the society, or for other than the society peoples are arranging some charity works during some time any type of situation is arises in the system. Nowadays you are seeing that in this corona period people are providing foods to the persons who are poor in the section of the society, and they cannot afford for their daily food. So some NGOs and social groups, they are active in doing that type of help to those peoples for arranging their food for every day. So how it is can be possible? So number of persons, they are joined together of different society, they form the group, they allot the work to different person, and again the theory things comes: cooperation, coordination, and persuasion. So according to that, this work is going on without the help of any government agency. The peoples are doing themselves. They devote their own time, they devote their own money also, and they devote their uh, total rather they sacrifice for the society of that category in which this type of things are required. So this is what is the meaning, that whenever you go for any type of event of this type in which charity is to be done for some society, so you should form the groups, and in groups you always followed the three things which I have given, that is cooperation, coordination, and persuasion. So according to synchronism means all peoples in the groups, or whether it is a small group or big groups, they are having similar type of thinking to do or to perform a particular target job. So there will be no problem, and that job can be completed easily, and you can success in that job. So in all these particular type of work, you should have a habit of devotion, that your mind should have that type of habit that you are devoting for the peoples. So when you do with devotional themes, then there will be no problem in you, because ये आप सोचेंगे कि सेवा का कार्य हम कर रहे हैं devoted for the society, so you will not feel any type of ego in yourself. So this is must for all the societies peoples, or they are having form the groups of doing such type of charity works. So they perform with all these three basic approach of persuasion, coordination and cooperation. So this is all for today, and this was my last lecture. I have given 10 questions to both the group of electrical and electronic second year. So you submit this particular 10 questions answer on 31st May. Prepare, there is a 7-8 days are there. So you watch my lecture from first to last. You get all the answers in that, and you write these answers on a particular paper, and PDF file you forward on my WhatsApp number. So I will check, and internal valuation for that work of assignment I will do. So this is for all today. The peoples are giving me मैसेज कि ये हमारे लिए है कि नहीं, तो ये वो पूरा क्लियर बात है कि ये सेकंड ईयर इलेक्ट्रिकल और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स सब्जेक्ट ब्रांच के लिए जो प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट सेकंड का कोर्स है, ये उसका कोर्स मैंने कंप्लीट किया है, और ये क्वेश्चन उन्हीं बच्चों को, उन्हीं स्टूडेंट्स को आंसर देना है जो सेकंड ईयर इलेक्ट्रिकल और सेकंड ईयर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में है. So this is all for today. Thank you very much.